Hi! In front of me is TCL 30 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Biometrics. Now tap on Screen Lock and decide which login method is the best for you, pattern, PIN or password. After you decide, you need to create it. Choose Next. Repeat it in order to confirm it, and click Confirm. Now select one of those options. To answer the question when your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show? Show all notification content, hide sensitive notification content, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last option, so I have to click on it and select Done at the bottom right corner. So finally, when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!